morning student. Today I am going to start trigonometrical identities. Trigonometrical identities are, first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta it is equal to 1. From here we will get another formula, that is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta it is also equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta it is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here, what is the first identity? It is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And from here we can find, suppose we want sin square theta. Any questions are given, that is we have to replace 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos square, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So if 1 minus cos square theta is given, we can replace by sin square theta, or if 1 minus sin square theta is given, we can replace by cos square theta. This is our first identity. Second one, sec square theta minus tan square theta it is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta it is equal to 1, or from here we will get sec square theta it is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta it is equal to 1, or sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, tan square theta is also equal to sec square theta minus 1. Means if any value is given 1 plus tan square theta, that will be replaced by sec square theta, or sec square theta minus 1 is given, that will be equal to tan square theta. This is our second identity. Third is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta it is equal to 1, or we will get from here, that is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or cot square theta it is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Now, cosec square theta is also equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is also equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These are the three identities which are very important. Here, what is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And sin square theta is also equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is also equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, or sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, or cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These are all the identities. So you have to learn very hard. We will use this identity to solve the equation. See the first question, if it is given. Under 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta, it is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Now what is given here? Under 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta equal to sec theta plus tan theta. We will take LHS, right hand side. We will take here left hand side, that is LHS. So it is under 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now here see denominator, it is given in the root. Last year in 9th class we have studied, if the terms are given in the denominator are given in the root, then we are rationalizing. Suppose if we are getting this root 3 given here in the denominator, what you are doing? You are rationalizing by root 3 by root 3, means multiply and divide by root 3. What you will get? You will get here root 3 into root 3 square, which is equal to root 3 upon 3. Yes. Now if any terms are given like this, root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1. So we will rationalize by, the terms will be same, but difference in the sign. Here root 2 minus 1 is given, so we will rationalize by root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. See, that is called rationalization, or multiply and divide by root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. So what we will get? Here it will be root 2 plus 1, and see the denominator, it is a minus b, a plus b. It is of the form a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. What is a here? Root 2, b is 1. So we will get here root 2 whole square minus 1. So answer will be root 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1, or root 2 plus 1 upon 1. So this will be the result. So if the terms are given in the denominator, single terms are given, we will multiply by single terms. If the terms are given in minus or plus, the terms are given, so we have to take the opposite sign. If the sign is given minus, we will rationalize by plus sign. If plus is given, we will rationalize by minus sign. See here, it is root 2 minus 1 is given, we have rationalized by 2 plus 1, or multiply and divide by root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 here, and then simplify here by using this formula. Now, same way, we have taken here LHS, that is under root 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. So now we will simplify here. See, the terms are given in denominator, terms are given in the root. So we will write like this: under root 1 plus sine theta upon under root 1 upon 1 minus sine theta. Rationalize by, just now I have explained, minus is given, so we will rationalize by plus. So it will be a 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. Or, so both the roots are given. Suppose if it is given root a into root b, so we can write in the same root ab. If root a into root b is given, we will use this root a into b. So here what we will get? We will get like this: 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. Similarly in denominator, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Yes. So 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta is given. So we will write like this: 1 plus sine theta whole square. And see the denominator, a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. What is a? 1, b is sine theta. So it will be 1 minus sine square theta. Now see, 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So what we will do? We will replace this 1 minus sine square theta by cos square theta. So since 1 minus sine square theta, it is equal to cos square theta. So here we will get 1 plus sine theta whole square upon cos square theta. Or further we will write under root 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta whole square. Since 1 plus sine theta whole square is given and cos square theta whole square. So we will write like this. This square cancel the root. So we will get here 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. Or we will write like this: 1 upon cos theta plus sine theta upon cos theta. 1 upon sec theta, 1 upon cos theta, sec theta, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. In this way you have to prove. See here minus 1 minus sin theta is given. So we have to rationalize or multiply and divide by plus sign. 1 plus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. If plus is given, we will rationalize by minus. Minus is given, we will use the plus. Now again there is another sum. Second question, if it is given under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, it is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Now, under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Again we will take LHS, that is under root 1 minus theta given in the denominator, root terms are given. We will rationalize it. How will we rationalize? Yes, see 1 plus cos theta is given, so we will rationalize by 1 minus cos theta. Rationalize means we have to multiply and divide by the same term but find difference in the sign. So multiply and divide by 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Further we will get same way 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, again 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here same way root a into root b, we will write in the same under root ab. So it is 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos. See the denominator terms. It is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square we will use. So what we will get here? Here we will get 1 minus cos theta whole square upon a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So it is 1 minus cos square theta. Since 1 minus cos square theta, it is equal to sin square theta. See the identity? 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So what we will do? We will replace 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta. So you will get here 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta. Now see that both the terms are given in the square form. So what we will do? We will write like this: 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square, and this square cancel root. So we will get 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, or 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta, and 1 upon sin theta, it is equal to cosec theta. Cos theta upon sin theta, it is tan theta. So this is our RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is the proof. So we have done different types of sums in terms of sin and cos. These two sums are very important. So try it. Now next question. That is third question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. It is equal to 2 times sec A. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, we have to prove it is equal to 2 times sec A. Again we will take LHS. That is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. What we will do? We will take the LCM. So LCM is here cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now here cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is given. So we will take the LCM. So LCM is here cos A into 1 plus sin A. So this 1 plus sin A, cancel this 1 plus sin A, remaining is cos A, that will multiply here. So you will get here cos square A. Here 1 plus sin A will cancel, 1 plus sin A, remaining is cos A, that will multiply here. So it will be cos square. Similarly plus cos A will cancel cos A, remaining is 1 plus sin A, that will multiply here. So you will get here 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 plus sin A whole square, or again we will write here denominator, that is cos A 1 plus sin A. Now it is here cos square A plus, it is of the form A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is of the form 1 plus sin A is of the form A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So we will get here 1 plus 2 times 1 into sin A plus sine square A. Or further can I write like this? Cos square A plus sine square A plus 1 plus 2 times sine A. What I have done? I have brought the sine this side upon cos A 1 plus sine A. Now see, cos square A plus sine square A. Cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. So we will replace this. Cos square A plus sine square by 1. So we will get here 1 plus 2 times sine A upon cos A 1 plus sine A. Now see, further we will write 2 plus 2 sine A upon cos A 1 plus sine A. Now see, in the numerator what is common? 2. We will take 2 common, so you will get here 1 plus sine A upon cos A 1 plus sine A. This will be cancelled. So 2 upon cos A, or we will write 2 times sec A. This is our RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is the proof. Here where we cos square A plus sine square, we have used the identity that is equal to 1. Just so you have to learn very hard the formulas. Next question. That is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta, it is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cos theta. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta. So here change this cot in terms of, change the cot in terms of tan theta, that is cot theta is also equal to 1 upon tan theta, and here cot will change into tan. So we will first take LHS, that is tan theta, change this cot 1 minus 1 upon tan theta, that is we have changed cot theta in terms of tan, that is 1 upon tan. Plus again cot theta is given, we can write like this 1 upon tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Means the complete terms we have changed in tan theta. Here cot is given, we have changed in tan, that cot is given, we have changed in tan. You can change same way. Tan you can change in cot also, here also in terms of cot. Either you change in terms of tan or cot. Again further tan theta upon, take the same here tan theta, so it will be tan theta minus 1 plus 1 upon tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Here this tan will go in the numerator, so it will be tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1. Now plus 1 upon tan theta 1 minus tan theta. Now see here, it is tan theta minus 1, here 1 minus tan theta. So if it is given a minus b, here a minus b, we can write like this also, b minus a plus b also, if we take the minus sign common. So here what we will get? Here tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta, from here we can take the minus sign common. So what we will get? Tan square theta, we will get here tan theta minus 1, take minus sign common, so it will be 1 upon tan theta, and denominator will become tan theta minus 1. Here we have taken the minus sign common, so minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Now take the LCM here. What is the LCM? LCM is here tan theta into tan theta minus 1. So this tan theta minus 1 cancel this tan theta minus 1. Remaining is tan theta, that will multiply here. So you will get here tan cube theta minus tan theta, tan minus 1 theta will cancel this complete 1. So it will be 1 only. See the numerator? Numerator is of the form a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. What is a? A is tan theta, b is our 1. So we will use this. So what you will get here? You will get tan theta minus 1, tan square theta plus 1 into tan theta plus 1 plus square upon, because here tan theta is our a, b is here 1, upon tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Now further, this tan theta minus 1 cancel with this tan theta minus 1, and here you will get 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta upon tan theta. See here, tan square theta plus 1 into tan theta will be 1 into tan theta plus 1. This take 1 this side.